Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. High cholesterol is a condition that should not be underestimated. This condition, which occurs due to elevated cholesterol levels in the blood, can be a danger sign and can increase the risk of various diseases. Therefore, it is important to always keep cholesterol levels stable by adopting a healthy lifestyle and regularly checking cholesterol levels. A person has high cholesterol if the blood test results show a number above 240 milligrams per deciliter. Normal cholesterol levels for adults are less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. When cholesterol levels are too high, the risk of various cardiovascular diseases increases. This condition can also trigger diseases such as atherosclerosis, cholesterol accumulation, and harmful plaques on the artery walls. Actually, the body needs cholesterol to help form healthy cells. But too high levels of bad cholesterol can lead to plaque formation, which clogs blood vessels. This can increase the risk of chronic diseases, such as stroke and heart disease. High cholesterol can be controlled by eating certain types of fruit. Here are some fruits that can lower high cholesterol. 1. Apples. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract and help remove it from the body before it is absorbed into the bloodstream. This can reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. Apples are also rich in polyphenols, especially quercetin, which has antioxidant properties. Polyphenols can reduce inflammation and oxidation of LDL, which plays a role in the formation of atherosclerotic plaques in artery walls. Research shows that regular apple consumption can reduce total cholesterol and LDL levels and improve overall heart health. 2. Avocado. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. This fat can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, which is important for heart health. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also rich in fiber, which helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. This contributes to lower blood cholesterol levels. Avocados contain phytosterols that can inhibit cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract, helping to lower total cholesterol levels. 3. Berries. Berries contain soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helping to remove it from the body. Berries are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, which can prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. LDL oxidation contributes to plaque formation in the arteries, so consuming antioxidants can help protect heart health. Research shows that regular consumption of berries can lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve vascular health. 4. Oranges. Oranges also contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels by reducing cholesterol absorption in the gut. Oranges contain flavonoids such as hesperidin and naringenin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These flavonoids may help improve blood vessel health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol and support immune function. Eating these fruits along with a healthy lifestyle can help lower cholesterol levels. However, if you have high cholesterol problems, always consult a doctor for proper advice and treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss the latest videos from this channel.